All right, time to cut up this broccoli that I should have been cut up. This is what my dinner going to be today. This broccoli. I don't have all my seasons, so Mrs. Dash, pepper, my cilantro, and my garlic. That's going to have to suffice for seasoning. So I'm going to have my broccoli with my quinoa. Since I only have one crock pot, I have to cook them separately unless I decide to cook them together, but I think I want a separate dish today. So all right now, yeah. So I have to finish cutting up these broccoli things because they cook a lot better when they're cut up into smaller pieces. And then when the dish is done, I want to be able to chew it and eat it as easily as possible. So to be honest with you guys, I honestly should have been cooked this broccoli, but you know, it's hard. I can't even lie to you guys. It's kind of hard to manage work life with personal life, even down to taking care of yourself. So I ain't gonna lie, sometimes I get something as healthy as I can find it at the truck stops, but I actually have a down day because I didn't get that much time back on my last 7th day recap, which is a bunch of BS if you ask me. So I'm just using my time wisely, you know. And you know what? People only cook the broccoli itself, the tip of it, but they sleep on the stem. The stem got a lot more nutrients than you like to explain. But yeah, I gotta put the Mrs. Dash, the cilantro. You know what I'm saying? You gotta put enough. Because the pepper, you know what I'm saying? Gotta put a little spice. I want a little kick with it. So, you know. Oh yeah, definitely can't forget the garlic. Definitely cannot forget the beautiful garlic that keeps us healthy. It fights disease. It helps with immunity. Man, it's like if you really understood health, you will understand that your diet, your refrigerator, your cabinets, your shopping, this is just life. So despite the fact I'm a truck driver, that does not mean that I can't still feed my vessel with the proper good food out here. So got my garlic cut up, minced as much as I could. So I'm dumping that in. And you know, of course, clean up after yourself. Ain't nothing worse than a dirty chef. Keep your hands clean, wipe the counters down, clean up after yourself. Sanitary is the best thing. So I got my waters. This girl crazy, but yeah, I thought I needed both of them, but one should suffice because I don't want to over drench it with oil. You know what? Can't forget the butter, ma'am, sir. You gotta have the butter. I mean, some people might use olive oil. I don't have olive oil. I don't even have my coconut oil. So I have my butter, and I want that creamy, buttery taste. Ain't nothing the butter has to have on the broccoli. So let's put the lid on. Let's lock it into place. And number 7 is the one that's meant to actually cook these vegetables without overcooking or undercooking. So I'm so ready. I'm hungry. I haven't ate today. I'm ready for this to be done like today. Have a great day, everybody.